Hi, I'm Cheri, and we're going to take a look at how to thread your Baby Lock Altair. We're going to insert the thread on the spool pin and then put that spool cap on again. We're going to take our thread around right here. We're going to take it up and around, and you'll hear it click into the tension disc. It comes down around 3 and back up, and then on 4 it has to go back down and around a little catch there, the uptake lever, and then it comes down, and then you're going to get it behind number 6 right there into 7, and there's a thread cutter there that you're able to pull that off on, and then all you have left to do is hit the threading button and it will thread itself. A couple of things to note on the threading path is right here you see this number 1 and it's going back that way. If you want to wind your bobbin with your thread on this spool pin, you bring it around here and then you take it back over to the bobbin winding path. This shows your this shows your thread winding path where it comes up and goes over. Another thing to note is this right here, if the foot is down, it has a door that comes over this opening. If this is closed, your foot is down and you shouldn't be threading your machine at that time. Lift your foot and continue threading. While we're here, let's talk about unthreading your machine. You want to keep that thread always going in the same direction through the tension disc. So you can either cut it and pull it out from the needle, just like that, or you can take it out of the tension disc and take it out of all of the threading path. That's all you need to know about threading your machine.